Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some beautiful spare ribs here. This is probably like about 300 grams. I haven't decided whether I want to bake it or steam it. I will decide later, right? But basically the steps are the same. Just now I quickly rinse my spare ribs, few rounds under running water. Then these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make the sauce, marinating sauce. I have some fresh coriander roots, ginger, chili padi. Chili padi will be optional. Yeah, for those who don't like a bit of spiciness, just omit this. Some garlic and some salted black bean. Then we will need some salt, some cornstarch, some oyster sauce, light soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, sugar, some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, and white pepper. Let's put in some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we are going to saute all the fresh herbs. Perhaps I won't put in the chili padi first. I don't want it to be too spicy. Yeah? I will just put in the chili padi towards the end as a garnish. Let me double check the focus. Right, perfect. Give it a little bit more oil is fine because the oil is going to use to marinate the ribs later. Ooh, super fragrant. Just saute this for a minute or two before we continue, maybe about 1 minute. This is after about 1 minute plus. You can see garlic started to brown. We can off the fire. So this is our marination sauce. I'm going to put this over to the spare ribs. Here's our ribs and our marinade. Not done yet. First, give it a little bit of light soya sauce. Give it a bit of Shaoxing wine. Give it a little bit of fine salt. Balance with a bit of fine sugar. A bit of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Few dashes of white pepper. A bit of oyster sauce. Let's give it a few stir and mix everything up. Oh, already very fragrant. And to make the spare ribs a little bit more tender, smooth and tender, I'm going to give it some cornstarch here. Once this is evenly mixed, we shall transfer the ribs onto a steaming or serving plate. Here's my steaming plate. I'm going to send this to the steamer. Steam normal, steam higher, steam. I'm going to steam this for approximately 15 minutes, but let's build up the steam first. Yeah. Once it is preheated to 100 degrees Celsius, then we can put in the pork into the middle and steam it for 15 minutes. Like I mentioned earlier, you can either choose to bake, grill, or steam it. All three methods is fine. You just get different texture. That's it. This is after 15 minutes steaming. Wow, beautiful. So if you grill it or bake it, it will actually have a little bit of charness on top. So today I prefer it to be more tender. Huh? So let's take it out slowly and carefully because it's going to be very hot. Wow. So here's the steamed spare rib. I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander and also chili padi. And this is optional. I don't mind give it a little bit of fried garlic. Done. see how appetizing it looks, but very, very simple, isn't it? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.